In this video, I am going to show the things I received in my brand influencer kit from Dress My Craft. These are all the things I have already opened it and started using. Okay, ignore my background sound. I tried my best to give a proper voice. Let's get started. This is the first thing. It's a charm. It's a peach color charm. Choose juicy with the word. Have two pieces. I'm linking the links to all the products in the description. Don't forget to check it out. And this is the second one. It's a bubblegum accessory from Dress My Craft. It's a cute doll. And here is some shiny heart. And I already used this. This is a mini bow with a cute heart on the left side, and it's so cute. And this is my second purchase of this one, and some beautiful ice creams. Let me show you. So cute, right? Some cute ice creams, and so it's a heart diamond tile. It's so shiny and beautiful. I purchased this to use in my vintage product. Let me try. Okay, I already used this. It's a heart clear droplets. This is my first time using clear droplets, and it's really super cute, and it gives a finished and beautiful look to our embellishments. And here is a cute pom-pom keychain, pink color. You can find this in, I think, planner accessory section. And it is another version of this one. It has a clear and shiny look, and this one has some sprinkles kind of thing inside it. This is my most favorite. This is so smooth too. Can you see this? And next thing is this mini pom-poms, colorful mini pom-poms. And this is the second one from this. It's white and it's a baby pink or peach color. And okay, and this one, it's a plastic alphabet charms, and because it's Valentine, I purchased this one, blush pink cardstock. I really loved Dress My Craft smooth finish cardstock. I never used a 12-inch cardstock before. After using DMCs, I started using it. It has 10 sheets. It's not textured. It's normal cardstock in this shade. Blush pink, I already used 4 to 5 sheets. And I'll definitely buy this in my next purchase. And these are all the things I got in my this month's brand influencer kit from Dress My Craft, and all the links to the products are listed in my description. Don't forget to check it out. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.